Self-regulating heat trace cable works by adapting its electrical resistance as needed to maintain a consistent temperature. The cable itself is made of two bus wires encased in a semiconductor core material and generates more heat in colder conditions and less heat in warmer conditions. This automatic adjustment regulates heat output in relation to ambient temperature. Self-regulating heat trace cables are used in a wide array of applications, including freeze protection for pipes and vessels to prevent bursting, process temperature maintenance ensuring fluids remain at their desired temperature, and roof and gutter de-icing to prevent ice dams and water damage. Key benefits include energy efficiency due to its self-regulating properties, safety as it cannot overheat, easy on-site cutting and installation, long lifespan, provides versatility across applications, and it often eliminates the need for a separate thermostat for basic freeze protection applications. The lifespan of self-regulating heat cable can vary based on the quality of the installation along with other environmental factors. When configured properly, its lifespan can be expected to extend well past Briskheat's 10-year warranty period, lasting up to 20 years. A key safety feature of self-regulating heat trace cable is that it cannot overheat itself to the point of damage. The self-regulating property means it limits its maximum temperature output by reducing power as the temperature increases. However, it can still get hotter than needed if not properly specified for the application. For basic freeze protection applications, self-regulating heating cables often do not require a thermostat. However, using a temperature controller can provide additional benefits such as precise temperature control and improving energy efficiency by only turning on the cables when the temperature drops below a certain set point. Determining the right wattage of self-regulating cable can depend on several factors, but in general it can be assumed that higher wattage cables will reach the desired temperature faster than lower wattage cable. The specific wattage required can depend on several application details such as pipe material, pipe diameter, installation level, minimum ambient temperature, and demand required to achieve a desired level of freeze protection or temperature maintenance. Outer jackets like B, BP, and BF are made of different materials to suit various installation environments. Outer jackets made of materials like thermoplastic polyethylene or fluoropolymer offer varying levels of chemical and moisture resistance. Some also include a tin copper braid for grounding and added mechanical protection. Installation of cut-to-length self-regulating heat trace cable requires field termination, which involves steps like preparing the cables with splices, connection kits, and end seals. While straightforward, proper installation following our manual is crucial. We always recommend you work with a local electrical contractor to make sure your system is set up properly. For a direct plug-and-play option that comes pre-terminated with a plug, we suggest our speed trace. Yes, installation is always recommended to maximize thermal performance and efficiency. Depending on the application, Briskheat offers two types of installation: Instalock preformed foam insulation and cloth insulators for pipe, valves, and flanges.